Right, good morning, campers. Welcome to the day after finishing my office, or at that point, like a desk with some stuff on it, but that's near enough to an office. Probably not going to be my desk for long term because it's a bit too narrow. Well, in fact, it's narrow in both directions and not quite big enough for my desk accoutrement of a huge monitor, full keyboard, and two laptops. Oh, look, a hard cut to the desk accoutrement at the moment. The trophies I've achieved at tournaments in the first half of the year, and my collection of dice from various opponents. That's going on the wall eventually, along with this piece of art from the 6th edition Ogre Kingdoms army book that got for my birthday and hasn't found a home yet. Other things that haven't found a home, the foreguard of piles of Warhammer stuff, a 20-year-old dwarf army hidden behind a door, and as the opposite of the foreguard, and then the rest of the stuff, like several years of armies, several years of plastic sprues, and there's even some stuff that's actually going on the office itself that's not tiny plastic men, and they peel away, and some more birthday presents. This is all a mess, just like the actual state of the floor. Oh, yes, and this is another thing that's going on the wall once I've worked out how to assemble it. I do like a deer head. I don't like an actual deer head. So we found a voxel art one that we've got a plug for it, but it's just a big lump of wood. So we just need a picture hanging kit for that. Glue it to the board, and that is basically all the stuff in the office.
Andy's mom is coming to visit today for the first time since my birthday. So, just giving this very dry garden a nice watering. Hi, honey. We spent a very nice day in the garden just cutting some sticks and drilling out bamboo. And Andy drilled some more of the logs out. And then we went to a very nice lunch, which was really special and something that we just don't get to do with mom very often. Uh, but I will say I have absolutely destroyed my shoulder and my elbow from all of the drilling, twisting, sanding, and everything. So definitely taking it a bit easier this week and might try to find some things that I can put into the bug hotel, which don't require hours of drilling, sanding, poking. Also helped to gather up some of the pine cones that had been falling down so that we can fill some of the top boxes once we put some chicken wire up.
That ultimately, there's not a lot of escaping from the sun when it comes to filling the box.
No, it is somewhat exposed. Because you're such a nerd right now. I love it.
It's a bit buried, I think.
Oh, Mom has made a very nice pile of sticks for us. I've got one bag of bamboo ready to go in, and Andy is building a box. After spending most of last summer building the bug hotel, it is quite nice to actually have a chance to start filling the bug hotel again. So I had got one of the bottom boxes done the other day. Andy's filled this one in, and we've got quite a few logs, and thankfully we've kind of got a line on some others because the person that lives across the street from us, her son cuts trees down. So I have asked if we run out of logs, if we can get some off of him. So fingers crossed that we'll be able to fill all the way to the top. So I did manage to get one more box filled with the bamboo. It's so much work to cut it, drill it, sand it. I don't know if I'll do any more bamboo boxes in the near term. Luckily, my friend Victoria did message to ask if we wanted some sticks from her garden, so she will bring those over. And, you know, because we've left stuff out for so long, quite a bit of it is split. So we will have bamboo in other places. I'm just not going to drill any more of it out, but thankfully, I do have quite a bit cut to size. Andy has just planted some catmint, and Tormund very immediately went straight to it. He doesn't know why, but he's having a moment.
He's actively eating it at this point.
He's like, screw your basil. Get the basil out of here. I'm here for the cat mint. He has actively knocked the basil over to get to the mint. We may need to put the basil in another pot. All right, I'm not going to just film 10 minutes of this cat being silly, but apparently we found something he really, really likes.
That basil in the end. However much it was clearly a waste of money.
Well, that was quite a productive day and just a lovely day to get to spend with Mom. So finally, a million years later, we've got 4 of the 5 bottom rows done and all but 2 of the second row done, though we did find a bit more birch that we cut for that one. So it's coming along. It's nice to have days like this where we can just sort of be outside, do some good stuff. But you know, you can see how well stuff is coming along. I picked about 10 blueberries off the blueberries today, and Mom and I had a nice little snack. Even the little ornamental grass in the corner seems to be the only thing happy over there. So yeah, really productive day. Quite pleased.
Another thing that happened today was that Mum was able to bring the display case that Mum and Dad got me for my 40th. And actually fairly straightforward to put together for an IKEA display case. So, yeah, currently it's now literally a trophy case. Man, we're getting through a lot of sticks for this bug hotel. I sure hope we have a massive bag of sticks that we've had dropped off for us. Oh, shit, son!